All right, what's up, guys? We're going to keep this thing moving. And what I want to do is just show you how I'm using. I sent out a video the other day just telling you guys that I'm using this system to keep everything together, and I encourage you to get into it. Once again, I'm going to keep the price point down on this for you for $40 a month, and just like for you to prepay for it for like 3 months in advance. But this is, you're going through putting a lot of offers out. We need to keep track of these. When people call back in later on, or if one of us needs to go back in later on and look up that property, we need to have a way to be able to do that. So what I've been doing this morning is actually going through Zillow and getting the leads here in Detroit, and you can do it in wherever you're at. Do it in that area. These are for single family houses, whatever the case may be, right? So here I am over here, and right inside of Zillow, and let me just pick a different one out right here. This property right here. Let me go over, pick up one like this. As you can see, Detroit, these properties are mad cheap, and these are owners who are actually putting them out there on Zillow. So that lets you know a lot about what's going on up here and why I'm so intrigued and captivated by Detroit. And most people got Detroit wrong. I'm telling you, I've seen a whole other side up here of different pockets that are up here that people don't have a clue about. But with that being said, what I want you to do, as soon as you get on that, you come on in and click save, so you know that you've actually done that property. And then once again, I'm going to just change what's in here, and we're going to put in this message. Oops, wrong thing again. Let me go get it. I keep stuff down on my little sticky note over there. Right? And put this in here. And once again, real short and simple. My friend brought your property to my attention. I'm accepting cash offers. You want to make sure it's not checked by any of these agents. Delete that. It's going to default to that. And you'll want to click on the one that says property owner down there, so your message goes straight to that property owner. That's all you want to put in. I put another video together, or I think I may have already did it, that tells you what to say. No, maybe I didn't do it. That with a response to what to say on that one. All right. So once they start coming in, your phone will ring too, because the phone number's on, but don't answer the phone. Let them respond. You want to do this via email. All right. And you may even say in this right here, you may even want to say, please respond by email first, something like that, right? And then you just want to hit your contact and keep it moving, guys. Go right on to the next one. All right, when this stuff pops up, just X out of that, because this is not going to an agent. So it's already saved, right? Now what I do, part 2 of this, is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take the address right there, right? Copy that, and I'm going to come right back on over here to what we're using, the RealEFlow, and I'm going to click on add property right here. Now we need to keep this stuff managed, right? We can't just not know what the work we've done from last week or last month. So the address pops up right there. I'm going to go ahead on, fill it in. It fills out the rest for me. I'm going to save it, right? This is key. 9 times out of 10, it's going to tell us who the owner is of the property. Every now and then it may not have anything, but that's cool. I'm going to come over here to my lead source. And the lead source from this one. Okay, now once again, there's the owner right there, Melody Johnson, right? So I'm going to put my lead source in. You can take a pick between any of those. I kind of put some names in there as well. But this property right here, I know I'm the lead source on that one, but I want to get a little bit deeper, and you could put internet if it's not up here, but this is Zillow. So I'm going to come put Zillow, deal type. I don't know yet, so I'll just, depending on if it's something that you want to get together to flip, you put an assignment, or if it's something where you want to do owner financing, you put owner financing. For these, we're not going to be rehabbing. We're using this strategy right here to build up cash flow, guys. Build up money, all right? So I'll just leave that blank right there. Stage it to lead active right there. Now what I do is I'm going to come over right back to Zillow, and I'm just going to take this info from here all the way down here. And I can even go down here just to have all of it, all right? Going to copy it, bring it right back over to the RealEFlow, and I'm going to put it right in here, right? Activity, put it right up under this activity, paste it in there. Now we got all that info right there. We know exactly what's going on. And watch this. We'll consider land contract for $5,000 down, $700 per month. We'll lease $600 per month. You will be responsible for all the repairs, or $750, and I will cover repairs. So people know what's going on with land contracts and all this stuff out here, and I just like what's going on. And I'm just going to come over here. If you come, just scroll down a little bit. Scroll all the way down. You just want to hit Save All Info down there at the bottom. Boom. Now you'll see that it's successfully saved right there. I mean, if you're managing this, you know, we have managers. If it's your lead that you input, just put your info in there, right? Put your info in there. So that one's me. And once again, just come back and hit this green save button at the bottom again. And everything is saved. So now if someone calls in later, you can just go straight to the account and put the address in, and boom, you got all of that, and you have all your notes and information. Click on property right there, and they do a pretty good job of filling in everything, parcel numbers, you know, all that information that's pulled from the county. Taxes, all that stuff. You don't got to go looking all around. So it really makes this easy, guys. Allows you to treat this as a real business, which it is, right? Public information over here. Click on that tab right there. There's the owner. All right, there's her owner address. She's in South Carolina. See? This puts us in another league, guys. We don't have to keep going around crazy. You know, everything under one roof. Ownership level. All this good stuff. All right. She picked up this property earlier this year. All right. So everything's right there in one place. Want to make this simple as easy as possible. Click on mortgage over here. If there's any, this is where you would ask questions and get names for that information. Get all that information. All right. HOA fees, all that stuff. Everything you need to fill in down there at the bottom, guys. This is easy. When you start negotiating, boom, click on your negotiations tab. Boom, boom, boom. Owner asking price, blah, blah, blah. So now as they're responding to you from Zillow, you come right back over here in this, and just keep tab on everything. Make sure once you get all that information in that you're hitting the green button at the bottom that says Save All Info right there. All right. Guys, I want to make your job as easy as possible, set you up for success. So, you know, this is a real business. We do have to have, there are business expenses. So, you know, everybody chip in on those expenses, and, you know, chip in on everybody shares on the profits as well. One of the things I'm going to be doing is selling shares of stock for the company. We're going to sell private shares of stock for the company, all right, to raise money to buy more properties also. Listing over here. And that's if it's listed, if it's on the MLS. You find all that. If you got contacts, people, you know, you can link them, all that good stuff. And that's what we have in a nutshell, guys. So let's utilize this. I'm going to put some invoices out there. Send them to you. Like I said, I'd like for you to let's lock it in for 3 months so I know everybody's situated in there. You don't have to worry about making monthly payments. You know, so it's going to be $40 a month. Going to set up an invoice for $120 for 3 months, and now you have access. You got your own username and password. Come on in, let's rock this. You know, we do have phone bills. We have things like that that are part of the company. I'm not giving you every single expense. I'm doing everything that I can also, but I need your work. I need your work ethic. I need you to put it in, and there are times when we're going to need to kick out some cash for things, because this is a real business, and every business has expenses, and I'll make sure that everybody shares in the profits. All right? With that being said, guys, I'm on to the next one. Let me know if this is some good stuff. Let me know if you think this will help you out, and let's do this, all right? To your success, and I want to get a deal done by Thanksgiving. So on tonight's call, we're actually going to go over some more of this stuff, going to give you some more information, show you another way to follow back up with deals that may have fall through the cracks as well. So 7:30, we're going to bring in new people. 8:30 is our regular time, and that's how we do it each and every month going forward. So let me see some stuff out there on your Facebook pages, your personal Facebook pages. This group, start inputting, adding value to the group. Come on, you got to be a rainmaker and want leaders to come in and just take advantage. And, you know, I'm going to be offering positions in this company. Show me that you deserve a position. All right, guys? Talk soon. I know you can do it. Rainmakers here. Let's do it. We're Black Lions. Let's go.